types used in TypeScript. When creating a variable in TypeScript, there are basically two ways through which we can define the type of a variable. That is, first, explicit, and second is implicit. Now, what does both of these mean? Explicit means defining the type of a variable, and implicit means TypeScript will have to guess the type of a variable being used. Let's understand both of these with example. And let's start with explicit type. As I said, explicit is defining the type of a variable. Let's see the example. I'm saying here, let my name, and I'm defining the type of my name to be string, which is equals John. Here, I'm saying that my name is a type of a string. This is the example of explicit. Let's see another example. That is, let my age, and I'm saying my age is number, equals any number, 25. In both of these, I define the type of a variables I used, my name, string, and my age, number. This is explicit. Here we define the type of a variable which we are using. Let's see what is implicit. Implicit means TypeScript will guess the type of a variable being used. Let's understand it with example. Let's see, let my hobby equals coding. And now you will see the difference in explicit and implicit. The difference is here for this variable, I did not define the type of a variable, but TypeScript will still guess the type of a variable. When you hover over my hobby, you will see that TypeScript will guess that my hobby is type string. And now if I remove this and write any number or any boolean value, and save it, and when you hover over it you will see that it said that my hobby is a type of boolean. So what does it means? TypeScript is guessing the type of my hobby. Let's see it with another example. Let's say let my height equal 1.78. And now when I save it and hover over my height, you will see that TypeScript guessed the type of my height to be number. Explicit means writing out the type of a variable which we are using, and implicit means letting TypeScript guess the type of a variable. Now, in all of these, where can an error occur? Error will occur when we reassign the type of any variable. As I said in explicit that my name is of type string. But if I say here my name is equals false, you will see that it gives us a red underline on my name. And when we hover over it, we will see the error that says type boolean is not assignable to type string. This gave us an error. Not only here, but when you save this and open up the terminal, and let's write esc dash watch or w flag for watching our TypeScript file, it will start the compilation and you will see the same error as it gave here. Type boolean is not assignable to type string. So this is when TypeScript will give us an error when reassigning the value of any variable. Let's understand how can TypeScript give us an error with another example. Let's say my favorite color is string, and that is oats. Here let my favorite color is string, which is equals yellow. Okay, alright. Now when I will reassign my favorite color equals to number, it again gave us the red line and that says type number is not assignable to TypeScript. What does it mean? Here I said my favorite color is string. Okay, and now I am reassigning the value of my favorite color to be 1. that is a number. This is how TypeScript can give us the error. Now let's comment this and move forward. Now let's see another type that is used in TypeScript, that is any. What does any do is it disables the type checking. For example, let's say let my hobbies be any, that is cooking, sports. You will see here these both are string, right? Now even if I write here a boolean value or a number, it will not give us any red line because we disable the type checking by using any. So this is how any works. And the next is unknown. Unknown is a safer alternative to any, and it is used when we do not know the type of data being typed out. Let's say let my favorite colors, that is any, and it's red, blue, green, and one more if I write a number also, and it will still not give us the red line because we said we're typing out the favorite colors and we do not know the type of it. That's why we used unknown. This is how any and unknown works. Any is not used most of the time because it disables the type checking and we do not want that, and that is why we are using TypeScript. But we can use unknown when we don't know the type of the data being typed out. And now to combine all the things we saw in video, it's first explicit and implicit types, then error where we can get the error. The next is any type and the unknown type. There are many more types in TypeScript. Those are never, null, and undefined, but these are never used in TypeScript. So I'm ending it here and hope it cleared all the parts, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.